Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been very long since I said this, so here I am back with my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am just gonna share an overview of why I was MIA, and at the same time I'll get ready because I'm supposed to go out and meet my sister. So let's just get ready and talk while we are getting ready. Initially I thought I'll just make a detailed video where I just say कि what was happening, मैं कहाँ थी, मैं क्या कर रही थी. But then I thought let's just do it with a get ready with me so that it's nice and cute and engaging, because it's been very long since I have done a get ready with me, because I was MIA. Obviously I was not MIA. If you follow me on Instagram, I was active on Insta, but I was not available on YouTube. So yeah, let's get started. My last video was went live, I guess, somewhere. I'm not sure. I have to check. एक साल तो हो ही गया होगा, I guess, because sometime back I checked. It was I guess 8 months ago or something like that. So yeah, it's closer to a year. So yes, I feel very good to be back, and I was waiting for this day since very, very, very long. I wanted to be back since again very, very, very long, but there were certain reasons why I was not here, and I'm going to share in this video the same. So I'll start with getting ready and talk एक साथ ही. I need to buy a small mirror, guys, because I don't have one, and it gets very tough to record a get ready with me when you don't have a small mirror or a mirror in general in front of me. So we'll do one step and then we'll talk. So yes, starting with the main reason why I went offline on YouTube suddenly without telling anything or without informing anything, or no disclaimer was given, and I am very sad that I was not able to give my regular viewers who used to watch me, I was not able to give them any kind of an idea that I will be gone, because it was too it was not planned कि okay, I'll post this video and then I'll go vanish. But it was mostly so basically I wanted to make a switch in my career, not only the company but also the domain I am in. So I was in a different domain, so I wanted to make a switch to a different domain, for which I needed a lot of time to prepare, because nothing comes easy. You have to give time and put a lot of efforts in a lot of things. So because of that I needed to prepare, and for that reason I was not able to be very consistent with YouTube. धीरे it became very tough for me to create long form videos and post them regularly. And one thing I knew for sure कि either I am there or I'm not there. I did not want to be I'm posting a video today and then 2 months later I'm posting a video again. So yeah, as I was telling, I was not I don't know why my phone's brightness suddenly dropped, and it was on full brightness. I was able to see what I'm recording because I'm recording in daylight, right? So it was becoming tough for me to see because daylight and then full brightness, still I can't see, but it was very much clear when I was recording the previous clip. Suddenly it dropped, and now I'm not able to understand why. And it's still full, but just the full brightness is not enough like it was. Do you know, is there anything if I put my iPhone on sun it will heat up and reduce my brightness? If yes, let me know in the comments. So I have started using this Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte foundation, and it is a magic. I bought it before, and yes, for your information, my sister got married. So if you're following me on Instagram, you must know because I posted there, and I have vlogged everything for you guys. I'm gonna post after this video. I'll start posting the wedding videos, and when we went back home from Bangalore, all of that I'll start posting. So uski shaadi ke time pe I bought this foundation, and it is so nice, and it blends like a magic, and I don't like personally very much full coverage foundation because my skin is very oily, so it gets very oily easily. मतलब फाउंडेशन लगाओ थोड़ी देर में it will be एकदम oil too much oil. So yes, I was saying, let me put, then I can. So yes, I did not want it to be very inconsistent with YouTube because उससे मेरे को ऐसे स्ट्रेस होता रहता था. मतलब I tried to be consistent because I did not want to take a pause because obviously I like this and I like to make content. Not ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे इससे बहुत सारे पैसे मिल रहे हैं या मुझे इससे कुछ मतलब फ़ायदा हो रहा है, बट दिस इज़ समथिंग आई रियली एन्जॉय. सो आई एम जस्ट हेयर डूइंग व्हाट आई लाइक. मैं लाइन से फिर से भटकती जा रही हूँ. सो द पॉइंट वॉज आई डिड नॉट वांटेड टू बी इनकन्सिस्टेंट, बट इट वॉज लाइक कि आई यूज्ड टू शूट. लाइक शूटिंग इज स्टिल आई थिंक फॉर मी पर्सनली I can shoot. It's not that I was not able to shoot, but मुझ में एडिट करने की हिम्मत नहीं होती है. लाइक टू एडिट आई नीड, मुझे अगर पता हो कि हाँ अभी मेरे पास बहुत फ्री टाइम है, अभी मैं बैठ सकती हूँ, देन ओनली आई कैन एडिट. दैट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. एंड मेरे पास ऐसे खाली टाइम होता नहीं था कि मैं बैठूँगी एडिट करने. So even ऐसा भी हुआ है कि I have vlogged a whole day or a whole something, maybe I went out somewhere or I did something that I wanted to vlog and whatever it is. But I used to record it, but I was not able to edit it. And editing takes a lot of edit करने में मुझे मौत आती है. Like आप मुझसे जितना मर्जी से रिकॉर्ड करा लो, I can record all day. every day also I can record, I don't mind, but I can't edit. मुझे एडिट करने में मौत आती है. तो इसीलिए ऐसा होता था कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर लेती थी बट मैं एडिट नहीं कर पाती थी, इसलिए मैं पोस्ट नहीं कर पाती थी. और फिर मैं गिल्ट ट्रिप में चली जाती थी कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ बट मैं एडिट नहीं कर रही हूँ. मतलब अगर करना है तो मन लगा के पूरा कर लो, और अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो पूरा ही छोड़ दो. ऐसे आधा अधूरा आई डोंट लाइक दैट. तो वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो पा रहा था. तो स्लोली आई बिकेम इनकन्सिस्टेंट एंड आई वॉज नॉट पुटिंग वेरी मच एफर्ट इन टू वट आई वॉज डूइंग. So I decided, let's take a pause, because when you don't understand what you want to do, you should take a pause and understand first. First see it from an overview कि आपको करना क्या है, then do it. Oh, it looks like a mic. So yes, नेत्री विनीता जी के साथ आप सबका स्वागत है. So I swallowed the hard pill and decided I will stop YouTube. I'll stop posting on YouTube. I'll give it some time. I'll give some time to my current career, and I did a lot of work. I did a lot of hard work. A lot of hard work. People might think कि I did not, because my Insta does not look like I'm doing, but my Insta is only for weekends, not for weekdays. So when I am studying ऐसे, I don't record it obviously. Or when I'm crying because I don't know what to do, what I am doing with my life, will this even lead me anywhere, or is there a blockage at the end of the day, at the end of the tunnel? You never know until it happens. वो सब तो मैं रिकॉर्ड करती नहीं हूँ. मैं जब रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ तब मैं खिखी कर रही होती हूँ, या मैं घूमने जा रही होती हूँ मोस्टली, या मैं से रेडी हो रही होती हूँ. तो सबको लगता है कि अरे वाह, इसकी लाइफ तो बहुत हैपनिंग है, ये तो हमेशा रेडी हो रही है, बाहर जा रही है, हर 2 दिन में घूमने जा रही है, मस्त मज़े कर रही है लाइफ में. सो इफ़ यू थिंक दैट, यू आर रॉन्ग. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू आर व्यूइंग व्हाट आई एम शोइंग यू. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पूरा देख रहे हो 24/7 व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. यू नॉट राइट. सो यस, आफ्टर ऑल दैट मेहनत आई क्रैक्ड my dream company, guys, and I can't tell you how happy I am. It is actually a dream come true moment for me. I can't tell. The day I got my offer, it was, I can't tell you, it was a very beautiful moment. A moment, a lot of things were happening, okay? I'm not gonna tell everything, but I was going through a lot mentally, and some other things also happened which I was not planning for, but you gotta, I had to take some decisions which were not very easy to make, and I went through like anxiety से fever आके मैं डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रही मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मेरे लिए भी क्या सही है नहीं सही है। मुझे ये सब बहुत कुछ झेलने के बाद फाइनली टनल के एंड पे मुझे से सनशाइन मिल गई गाइस, एंड आई जॉइंड अ कंपनी and like I switched my domain, which was the main concern, because when you switch a company, it's not like कि आपको from scratch सब करना है, because you are working in that already. But in my case I wanted to switch my domain also, so I had to start from like फिर से zero से मुझे start करना था. But I am very proud of myself. You can already see it maybe, or you can maybe understand from my face or the way I'm talking. I am very happy and very proud. Touchwood. No nazar please. बहुत मुश्किल से मैं खुश हुई हूँ, कोई नज़र नहीं लगाएगा, ठीक है? Yes, so that happened. Since like that main thing happened, I am back on YouTube, so I'll post now regularly, or I'll try to post regularly, because I remember when I started, let me get ready also while talking. I remember when I was like I started my YouTube, तब भी ऐसे मैं धीरे धीरे करके समझ रही थी, सीख रही थी, कंसिस्टेंट हो रही थी. सो इट टेक्स टाइम, बट देन अगेन फिर से मैंने पॉज ले लिया, तो अभी भी मुझे फिर से थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंट होने में टाइम लगेगा टू लाइक get into that flow. So be with me. And one thing, just never think you cannot do something, okay? Either I talk like this, or I am very depressive. There's no in between. Either I am very happy, I'm jumping, I think कि सब कुछ possible है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मैं नहीं कर सकती, और otherwise it's like कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ, am I even like doing the right thing, ऐसा types. So there's no in between, but I will still tell you कि chase your dreams and never think कि अरे this is out of my league. Nothing is out of your league, okay? Like really nothing is out of your league. You just need to work hard enough for the goal you're looking at, but never ever let someone tell you कि oh you can't do this, is this even possible. Even मैंने भी ये सब सुना है, जब मैं बोलती थी किसी को तो छोड़ो जाने दो. Now a Selenophile is back, and if you're not following me yet on Insta, go and follow me right away, because I have posted a lot of wedding content. Like I was not able to record because है ना, घर की शादी में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपको मतलब मेरा घर का नाम स्वीटी है, तो एवरी टाइम माई मॉम इज कॉलिंग मी स्वीटी ये स्वीटी वो, मेरे पापा कॉल करें, मेरी मामी कॉल करी, ये वो, स्वीटी ये कहाँ है, स्वीटी वो कहाँ है. स्वीटी जस्ट वांट्स टू क्रिएट क्यूट वीडियोज एंड वांट टू चिल, बट you can't chill at your own sister's wedding. So yes, for my sister's wedding, we had a very intimate wedding, and obviously my parents weren't very happy at the beginning, but it turned out so good. I can't tell you, like if you are someone who is watching and who is getting married and you're not able to decide if you want to make it grand or if you want to make it intimate, just keep it intimate, guys. Just keep it intimate. Like I am so influenced by my sister's wedding. I have also decided कि I am also gonna, like I wanted to do an intimate wedding only. मतलब मैं शादी कर रही हूँ ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ, दिस इज़ नॉट एन अनाउंसमेंट दैट आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड, बट या इट्स जस्ट दैट एनी टाइम. तो इसके बाद मेरे घर में मेरी शादी की बातें हो रही है, क्योंकि एक पहले एंटरटेनमेंट था जो थी मेरी दीदी की शादी, अब वो हो गया, तो अब बचा कौन, स्वीटी. आई विल सी यू वंस आई एम फुल्ली रेडी. Hi, I am ready and I am again late because I have only 5 minutes left. उसमें मुझे ये ख़त्म करना है, उसमें मुझे बैग लेना है, like बैग ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. So yeah, that was my reason for being MIA from YouTube, and I think I owed a description rather than, I did not want it to be like कि मैंने अचानक से बंद कर दिया और नाइस धूप पड़ी है, then अचानक से इतने दिनों बाद अचानक से चालू कर दिया. I wanted to give an explanation why I was not there. In short, I wanted to give you a life update, like what happened and all. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, and the next video is going to be related to, like I'll start my sister's wedding vlogs, whatever I have recorded, I'll start processing, like I'll start putting them together and making it into vlogs. I'm not sure yet कि कितना clip है मेरे पास कि मैं एक ही व्लॉग में पूरा डाल दूँ या मैं फंक्शन वाइज डालूँ या मैं डे वाइज डालूँ. So let's see, let's hope. I'm very excited for this new new rebirth of my YouTube channel, and I hope you are also as excited as me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get a notification that I posted a new video. And also, if you're not following me yet on Insta, go and follow me right away. Like, paste my Instagram accounts link in the description box. Also, I'll mention my ID somewhere in the screen. You can see it already maybe. So yeah, follow me there and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए टाटा, bye, and thank you so much for watching this video. And like आप वो मतलब इतने टाइम बाद फिर से if you like took the time out to come to my channel again because I posted a new video, and if you watched this video the whole, thank you so much. It means a lot to me, and I keep checking my you get the details of your videos, how much people are watching and everything, and I can't tell you how happy it makes me to see that people are liking my videos. Okay, bye, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.